Hi, welcome to another of Cubase Guru's free video tutorials. This one is regarding modulation matrices. I'm going to be using Albino 3 for this, but all modulation matrices are pretty much the same. Some are fancier, some give you more control, but the basic fundamentals are the same. So what we have, this is the modulation matrix under the MX button on Albino. What we have on the left hand side is our source. The source is the parameter that is going to control the destination or modulate the destination, and the destination is on the right hand side. This section in the centre here is the amount that the source will modulate the destination. Very simple. So I've got a basic pad sound here. What we're going to do is use the modulation matrix to make it sound a bit more interesting. So the first thing we'll do is add an LFO, and we'll control the filter cutoff. We'll come into LFO1, and we'll just put all of these down, and we'll change that to 1/8. And then we'll come back to the modulation matrix and change this number. Let's see what's happening. Okay, there's nothing happening. The reason for that is because we need to adjust these parameters here. So let's do that now. Okay, you can hear the LFO working on the filter cutoff, however it's not very apparent. So let's see what happens if we turn this down a bit. Okay, as you can hear, we've kind of got that beating away there. If we change this to 1/16 and play it. As you can hear, it's more apparent. Now that's on a sine wave, so the LFO is working on a sine wave. You can make all different kinds of sounds here. You can use sample and hold, square waves, saw waves, whatever you like. Let's just mess around a bit. Okay, so you can hear it changing the sound depending on the wave you choose. I prefer the sine wave in this instance, it's more subtle. Okay, let's leave it at that for the moment. Okay, so now we can go back into the matrix and start adding other. Let me just try something. Okay, let's try modulating something else. So let's try using the filter 1 envelope to modulate oscillator 1 pitch. Let's have a listen to this. Okay, so that's this filter here is now modulating the pitch of this oscillator. So again, you can mess around with the envelope controls to change the modulation. Okay, and then you can just keep going. So that's basically your modulation matrix. You add your source, you add your destination, and then you use this to control the amount that your source modulates your destination. So I'm just going to keep adding things and just let you see. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's pop in the modulation wheel on my keyboard to control oscillator 4 pitch, and we'll put that up by 12. Let's see. So that's me moving the modulation wheel. Okay, that's quite interesting. Let's have a look on this side. Now I wonder what it would be like if we used an LFO to do that automatically for us. Let's have a listen to that. Let's have a look at LFO 2. Put it on eighths. That's an interesting effect. So what we've got is we've got LFO 2 modulating oscillator 4 pitch by this amount. And of course you can come in here again, change it. That's quite an interesting sound. It sounds like some kind of computer. So as you can see, there's loads of opportunities. You just play, keep playing and playing and playing and playing, and you'll get all kinds of crazy stuff. So I hope that explains a little bit about the modulation matrix. There's far, far more to learn about it. That was just a video to explain source, destination, modulation amount. That's all. So experiment, and I hope this video helps you in some way, and enjoy the rest of the free videos.